Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte BRIX Extreme most powerful mini PC. So friend, Gigabyte introduced the all new 2022 BRIX Extreme mini PC series, which adopts the latest 12th generation Intel Core mobile processor with Intel's most stable client architecture that delivers superior computing performance. And friend, the new 2022 BRIX Extreme design integrates 4 display outputs including HDMI 2.1, USB 4, 2.5G Ethernet Plus, and the latest Wi-Fi 6E configuration, creating the most powerful multitasking mini PC with astonishing performance and responsiveness for either gaming or content creation. And friend, the 12th generation Intel Core mobile processor with Intel Iris Xe also takes graphic performance and multimedia processing to a new level thanks to its massive 96 EUS, which allow user to play the latest DirectX 12 Ultimate games at ultra settings. And friend, it is able to create content and handle high performance AI acceleration. And friend, the BRIX Extreme can also support full 8K media support via the HDMI 2.1 port. And friend, performance and DDR4 memory speeds up to 3200 MHz. This processor boosts processing performance with optimized power efficiency for versatile application including gaming, daily tasks, and entertainment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.